Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I will be frying some delicious egg fish and I will be showing you the process. If today is your first time coming across this video or this channel, you are welcome. For my OG, thank you so much for always sticking by. With no further ado, let's fry. So this is the fish I will be using today, fresh egg fish, which I bought from the store. You can go to the fish vendor to buy yours. So I just went ahead to open it from the pack. If you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Now I will be washing this. I'll just go ahead to wash this under the running tap, then remove the eggs. And I also discovered that the scales have been removed already. So guys, just go ahead to clean up your fish thoroughly before adding any seasoning to it. So guys, are you the type that bulk cook? Let me know in the comment section. Now I'll go ahead to just cut the fish into my desired shape, and then I'll show you the next thing I did. So this is the last fish I'm cutting right now. Then I'll just go ahead to put everything into a filter to drain away all the water. So this is what we have here. Now this is the secret to this fish we are going to fry. I'll be adding this lasso seasoning powder. This is fish seasoning powder. So I'm not going to be adding any other thing again. So if you are able to lay your hands on this, better. If you are not able to lay your hands on it, whatever you are able to lay your hands on, any seasoning of your choice, just go ahead to add it. Then I'll just go ahead to rub everything, making sure that everything entered. Now we'll be frying this in a clean pan. I will go ahead to add my cooking oil. Yes, I will be using oil today. I will not be using air fryer. So this is another secret for your frying of fish. I'll go ahead to add some thyme. Now I'll be adding bay leaf and onions. What this one is going to do is that it's going to awaken the flavor, add flavor to the fish. So I'll allow the oil to hold, add all my fish, cover that to fry so that the oil will not splash on me. Then after frying, I'll go ahead to turn this up. Okay guys, so just follow this step by step. You will see that at the end you will have a crispy golden fish. So this is what we have after frying. Guys, you can use this to cook stew, to cook soup, to cook whatever you want to use it to cook. That is why I love bulk cooking. So if you are the type that love bulk cooking, let me know in the comment section. Will you be trying this? If you do, please let me know. So after frying, this is what we have. I also went ahead to fry some turkey alongside with it, which I also did in bulk. So I will be placing this inside the freezer. I'll just go ahead to store this in my storage bag and then place it inside the freezer. So what is your take concerning bulk cooking? Do you like it? Is it stressful? Is it stress free? Let me know in the comment section. And if you will be doing bulk cooking, let me know. And what is your favorite part in bulk cooking? So guys, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.